Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 2 different opportunities for data entry jobs. I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys to find data entry jobs that are available for you remotely. So I found 2 in this particular video for you. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm because it helps us find more people just like you looking for data entry jobs and other type of remote work from home jobs that are available for them and for you. So let's start with the first job, shall we? The first company is Yo A Day and Zimmerman Company. They're looking for a data entry clerk. Pays up to $17 an hour. The pay rate is $17 an hour. It is part-time, approximately 25 hours a week. It's for 6 months, possibility for extension, and it is remote. Your description of the job will be work alongside the retouching manager to ensure that all files are named properly following the file naming guidelines, accurately identifying products in photos, using Photo Studio and manufacturer provider images, ensure file names represent the product that is the focal point of the image, work diligently and independently, track progress using tracking documents provided, communicate effectively with the retouching manager once sets have been completed. Qualifications: impeccable attention to detail, able to work independently and diligently, a good listener, able to take feedback and follow instructions, a sharp eye for the smallest of details, knowledgeable in Excel. And if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to mention another job right here that's also data entry position that you might be qualified and fit for. But if you want more job leads every single day on your subscriptions, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that way you be one of the first notified. The next data entry position is for the company Bears Deb. Bears Deb is proud to be the fastest growing company in America. With people in 5 continents and world-class clients, we're as strong as the multicultural teams at the heart of the business to consistently deliver the highest quality solutions to our clients. We only hire the top 1% of the best talents and nurture their professional growth and exciting projects. We're looking for data entry profiles to join our talent acquisition team and participate in different projects made up of multicultural teams distributed throughout the world. This person must be proactive, detail-oriented, and demonstrate excellent analytical abilities as well as teamwork and multitasking skills. This is an excellent opportunity for those professionals looking to develop one of the fastest growing companies in the industry. What you'll do: support the recruiting area in the identification and initial contact of potential candidates for our searches. Propose new alternatives to identify candidates. Identify opportunities for improvement in the current processes of the area. Manage the notices in the different job portals with which we work and evaluate the candidates that apply to them. Identify and analyze professional profiles in job portals for the different searches we have open. Here's what they're looking for: proactively and ability to work in a team, marked attention to detail in daily work, 1+ previous work experience is a plus, and advanced English level. It's 100% remote, and they have hardware set up for you to work from home as well. It has flexible hours, you make your own schedule. It also includes paid parental leave, vacation and holidays, diverse and multicultural work environment, an innovative environment with the structure and resources of a leading multinational, excellent compensation, well above the market average. Here you can grow at the speed of your learning curve. If you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're gonna put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're gonna have multiple job leads here on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.